Click on the link below to get price. The Libereco 2-pack electric bike tire 14x2.125, 57 to 254 for 10 rim, stands out as a reliable choice for electric bike enthusiasts looking to enhance their riding experience. These tires are specifically designed to fit 10-inch rims, making them suitable for a variety of compact electric bikes and scooters. The installation process is straightforward, thanks to the user-friendly design. The tires fit snugly onto the rims, ensuring a secure attachment that minimizes the risk of flats or blowouts during rides. Once installed, the tires provide a smooth and stable ride, which is especially important for urban commuting or leisurely rides. One of the standout features of the Libereco tires is their durable construction. Made from high-quality rubber compounds, they exhibit impressive resistance to wear and tear, even when navigating rough terrains or potholes. This durability translates into a longer lifespan, allowing riders to enjoy consistent performance without frequent replacements. The tread design of these tires is optimized for grip and traction. Whether you're riding on wet pavement or uneven surfaces, the tires maintain excellent contact with the ground, enhancing overall stability and control. This attribute is particularly beneficial for less experienced riders who may be concerned about skidding or losing balance. Another notable aspect is the noise level during rides. Many electric bike tires can produce a lot of rolling noise, but the Libereco tires operate relatively quietly, making for a more pleasant riding experience, especially in urban settings where noise can be a nuisance. In terms of value, the package includes 2 tires at a competitive price point, making it an economical choice for those looking to upgrade or replace their current tires. Overall, the Libereco 2-pack electric bike tire 14x2.125 is an excellent investment for anyone seeking durability, performance, and comfort in their electric bike tires. With their solid grip, noise reduction, and easy installation, they are likely to satisfy both casual and avid riders alike.